ladies and gents, and welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. Now, today's video is going to be a review of my first new fitness equipment. I spoke with you guys about that in the last video, that I wanted to embark on a new fitness journey. So a company reached out to me and offered me to review their product, which is a treadmill. I'm going to step back and show you. Okay, before I even do that, let me just tell you how easy it was to put this treadmill together. Now, it came in the box, and I'll show you the box here. Now, once you open the box up, the treadmill is pretty much intact. The only thing that I had to do to do any type of assembling was lift the bar up. And here, these were unassembled. And all you had to do was screw them all the way through the bar and put it on whichever little slot you wanted there and tighten it. The only other thing that had to be done was this piece here comes separate, and you just assemble this little piece here, which is just pressing right down in that little slot. Okay, another thing we had to do was this. It comes with the batteries, all the batteries you need. This control panel here, it has a battery that goes inside of here, which the batteries came with it, as I said. So you just opened it up and put the battery in and place it in here. It snaps right in. Okay, now the last thing, there it goes. The last thing that had to be done, which, as I said, was very, very little assembling, was if you want to use the incline, these bars we attached on here. If you want the incline. If you don't even have to attach that. So that's the only assembling that needed to be done. So, and if I could do it, guys, you can too. Okay, now on with the description of the treadmill. This is the AKLUER. This is a dual-sided, yes, you heard me right, a double-sided treadmill. Something I had never heard of. Have you? It's a side A, and on the side A, it's the walking pad. And all you have to do is flip it over to the other side, and on the other side is a foot massaging pad. Can you believe it? So after you've worked out and got your feet tired and sweating, you can turn it over and get you a nice foot massage. But first I want to give you some of the features of this treadmill and how to operate it. So here we are. You have plug it in, and then you have a switch here to cut it on. Okay, here on this panel, you see that it lights up all your zeros. It starts off. It gives you the time as you're walking. It also will give you your speed that you're going at. And it'll also give you the distance that you've ran or you're running, and also, or walking, and also how many calories burned. Here you have to decrease your speed, increase your speed, and that's a stop button here. Now, naturally, when we're using the machine, we're not going to be using that feature because it also operates with a remote, which makes it a lot easier for you. Now, here we have the bar. If you're like me, you're going to need something to hold on to. So you have your bar that you can brace yourself or kind of, hold on to in case you want to start speeding up some. Okay, so let me show you how you lock this in. Now you have grooves here, and you have the knobs that turn on each one to put it in whichever position you want the bar to be in. So this is a good position for me. So you just tighten it up in that groove, and then you do the same on this side. You see those grooves there? You just turn your knob until it gets right inside that groove, and then you're good. Okay, another thing I wanted to mention about this, it has a 5% incline. So you even get more of a workout if you put it up to that 5%. This is how that works. This bar here, you don't have to use it if you want it flat, but if you want the 5% incline, you attach those on, which I've done because I choose the 5% incline. Okay, my friends, so as I said, let me show you the bar here. Also on the bar has the same options, pretty much. It's down there on the panel and on here. The difference on the remote and here is you can choose how many miles per hour you want the treadmill to go. Now you have the go button here. You have the stop button here. You have emergency stop button. And then here, your increase and decrease of your speed is on here as well. Now, as I said, the remote pretty much starts it for you once you're on. And it decreases and increases the speed as well. Now, this little panel here is awesome. Loving it because you can hold your remote there. And not only that, it's also good to hold your phone, or you can even put an iPad there, guys. So while you're exercising or working out, you can be taking care of your business as well. I also want to show you, and you know this is pretty much standard for all treadmills, it's an emergency stop switch or handle. So what it does is if you're going at a good speed and you happen to lose your balance or something, once it's clipped onto you, if this dislocates, if you happen to fall or lose your balance, if that pulls away, it stops the treadmill. All right, so guys, I'm going to demonstrate how this works. I'll step up here. Okay, so it's actually started on 6 miles per hour, so it's going to speed up, but I'm going to decrease the speed just for walking. So this is to start, and then you can always, here on the bar or on your remote, you can increase the speed. There we go. Depending on how fast you want to go, okay? If you want to just do a walk, or you want to do a brisk walk, or you even want to go to a light trot. That's up to you, okay? And then you get the speed that you want, or you can decrease it. If you get tired, want to slow it down a little bit. So you go at your own pace. I've got to build up, guys. It's been a while since I worked out or even used the treadmill, because you know I've had the surgery, so I'm just getting back into things. But I plan on using this beautiful dual-sided treadmill. I'm excited about trying that massage side. It's good for circulation. Now, especially if you're diabetic or you have any type of poor circulation problems, that foot massage will really help with that. Okay guys, I'm going to slow this down because there's a couple more free features, and then I'm going to hit stop. There you go, and it slows all the way down to a stop. Okay, so I'm going to show you that, first of all, let me let you know that this baby is portable. It's pretty lightweight. I'm going to demonstrate that because I'm going to show you how you can store it. But it is so convenient. For me, it is exactly what I needed. I needed something that I could use at home in a small space because I don't have a lot of extra room, and also I'm not a winter person. Even in the summer, guys, let me start there. Sometimes it's too hot to even want to go out to a health club. So this saves me a trip, and especially in the winter time. I'm not a winter person, and if I have to put on clothes and coats and boots to go to the health club or to a gym, I'm not going to do it. So all I have to do here is throw on my little workout stuff. Hey, I could even leave my jammies on and just put on my tennis shoes and come down here and work out. So when you're all done with your workout, you want to just come around and push your button off. Push off your off button. All the lights will go out, and then you want to just unplug it from the wall. Anytime you move this equipment, you want to make sure to unplug it first. Okay, so we're going to take a loose or unloosen your bar. You always have to move the bar before you flip it over or before you stand it up to move it and store it. Okay, you always want to let your bar back down. You just like there, you put your bar down. Okay, and then you lift it. And as I said, what you can do, guys, is you can flip the whole thing over. Just turn it around and flip it over, just like that, for the massage side. I'm not going to demonstrate the massage side because it's the same motion, but you just have the rollers underneath that massage your feet. The main thing I want to show you right now before I end this video is how, now you have to remember, guys, I'm a 77-year-old small frame woman. So you know, if I could do this, mostly or all of you can. Lift it and turn it, but the special part about it is look how easy it rolls away and stores. Look at there. See, you roll it just that easy. It's got the rollers at the bottom, and you just pull it up, roll it where you want to store it, guys, and put it down and slide it up under a couch, slide it up under a table, your desk, if you have the space, or you can slide it right on into your closet and just lay it against the wall there. So it's very convenient, portable, and user-friendly. So I hope you guys will check out the discount code in the description box below, and maybe check this beaut out here. If you're interested as I am in trying to get a little fitness journey going, or even just to strengthen your legs, your core. It's good for all that, as well as your heart. Strengthen the heart. So, all right, my friends, don't forget to check this baby out. I love it. I'm going to be using it, and you'll be seeing that. And until next time, my friends, ciao bella.